everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So jumping right in, today I randomly found a spreader bar. So I had my apprentice throw that up and strap the 1/2 inch EMT coming out of the box for the stub, and the two MCs also coming out of the box. So we got that taken care of right off the bat, and then on the other side of the room, went ahead and demoed out all the old boxes and conduits in this wall. As you can see, all the holes, there was like 4 to 6 stubs coming into the bottom. There was like 4 or 5 boxes. There's still a box there because it's hot, so we didn't deal with that, shutting that off today. And there was also another pipe coming through the ceiling, as you can see. So there's 2 hot pipes left in there, but took out everything else. There's an old clock, as you can see that giant square right there. There's an old powered clock with 120. So I went ahead and took that out. Back on the other side of the wall, as you can see, just the holes again. And then we did take out all the stubs, which were pretty much stub 90s. And then the one pipe was connected right here, so we just disconnected that out of the coupling right there. And then it was lunchtime, so went ahead and got some free lunch, which was nice. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. So we got 5 pizzas for everybody, so that was really nice. I had a whole bunch of pizza and some orange soda. And then back to it, we went ahead and mounted some boxes right here using this one style that I haven't really used before, the 3 little plate design. So got a box for data and a stub, and then a box for the power, which we didn't put any wire out yet because we don't know where it goes. Then we also mounted the fire alarm box and a stub coming out for that as well. All these stubs in 3/4 with the 3/4 bushings at the end. And then we also mounted another fire alarm box over here around the corner in the hallway. So I just worked on some fire alarm and also some data and a receptacle box. And then we'll get some more materials for wire and short spreader bars because we're out for Monday. But anyways, that's it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Hopefully you all enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys back in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome weekend. Stay safe. Peace.